Find the area of triangle ABC with A and the midpoint of sides through A being P and Q. In this question, we have triangle ABC. A, B, C, and A is 1, -4. And the midpoint of sides through A being P and Q. P is midpoint of AB. Q is midpoint of AC. Coordinates of Q are 0, -1. Coordinates of P are 2, -1. So find the area of the triangle ABC with A and the midpoint of sides through ABC. We have to find area of triangle ABC, for which we have to find vertices B and C. Let coordinates of B are x2, y2, C are x3, y3. Answer: let B equal to x2, y3 and C equal to x3, y3. P and Q are midpoints. Suppose we have a line segment xy whose coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, then midpoint M. Midpoint M is given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is midpoint formula. If xy is a line segment, coordinates of x are x1, y1, x2, y2, then midpoint M is given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. We will use this concept in this question. P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. So P equal to, coordinates of P are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, 1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, -4 plus y2 upon 2. This point is equal to 2, -1 given. So compare x coordinates, y coordinates. This implies 1 plus x2 upon 2 equal to 2 and -4 plus y2 upon 2 equal to -1. This implies 1 plus x2 equal to 2 to the 4 and -4 plus y2, 2 into -2, 2 into -1, -2. So x2 equal to 4 -1. So x2 is 3 and y2 equal to -2, shift -4 into RHS plus 4. So y2 equal to -2 plus 4 is 2. x2 is 3, y2 is 2. So value of x2 is 3, y2 is 2. So point B now 3, 2. Now we have to find value of x3 and y3. We will find value of x3 and y3. Here Q is midpoint of AC. Now Q is midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. So coordinates of Q are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, 1 plus x3 upon 2, 1 plus x3 upon 2, comma, minus 4 plus y3 upon 2, minus 4 plus y3 upon 2. This is equal to 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. Comparing x coordinates and y coordinates, we have 1 plus x3 upon 2 equal to 0, and minus 4 plus y3 upon 2 equal to minus 1. So 1 plus x3, 2 into 0, 0, and minus 4 plus y3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So x3 equal to 0 minus 1 and y3 equal to minus 2, shift minus 4 into RHS plus 4. This implies x3 is minus 1 and y3 is minus 2 plus 4, 2. So value of x3 and y3 minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. Now we will find area of triangle ABC by using formula 1 upon 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of triangle ABC. We first write coordinates of ABC. A is 1, minus 4. B is B is 3, 2, and C is minus 1, 2. Compare A with x1 y1, B with x2 y2, and C with x3 y3. We get x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 4, x2 equal to 3, y2 equal to 2, x3 equal to minus 1, y3 equal to 2. So area of triangle ABC, equal to 1 upon 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Put values 1 upon 2. x1 is 1. What is y2? y2 is 2. What is y3? y3 is also 2. What is x2? x2 is 3. y3 2. What is y1? y1 is minus 4. So minus plus 4. Plus value of x3. x3 is minus 1. What is y1? y1 is minus 4. What is y2? y2 is 2. y2 is 2. So 1 upon 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 plus 4, 6. Minus 1 or minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 equal to 1 upon 2. 3 6 are 18. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6, 1 upon 2 into 18 plus 6, 24 equal to 12 square unit. So area of triangle ABC is 12 square unit. Friends, if you like my teaching, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay.